I am motherfucking cold. I am cold. I am motherfucking cold. Okay. I done been wrapped up under the damn cupboard. Look, I'm so motherfucking cold. My words is stuttering. Like, what is the fuck is the furnace going out for? That is just dumb as fuck. I am pissed. I am just pissed. I should not be cold. I cannot stand being cold. If you want to piss me off, make me too cold. Oh, ooh. Don't imitate me. I done made my baby get up and put a hoodie on. I am cold. Mally. I done made him get up in the bed with me to keep me warm. I am cold. This goddamn motherfucking furnace pilot needs to be lit. I think the gas ain't coming through because I was down there holding that fire right where Denzel told me to, and the YouTube video told me to light the fucking shit, and it wouldn't light. I made sure the gas pipe was on. I made sure the little pilot knob was on. I made sure the electric switch was on. I made sure the thermostat was set. Everything is on. I followed the YouTube video down to the T, as well as Denzel instructions from the FaceTime. And I still ain't got no motherfucking heat. It won't light. Tobias ain't answering the phone, about to get cussed the fuck out. You see, when I ain't answer the phone, he popped up on me, knocking on the door like, bitch, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why you ain't answering the phone? Now, somebody better send me somebody over here to light this motherfucking furnace. Okay? I am cold. My toes cold.
Why can you not just light up the fireplace?
Bring me some firewood, too, so I could light the fireplace. But you know me, I'll get the burning shit. I will burn a whole bag of clothes up in this bitch. I will get the burning shit. Oh, matter of fact, you right, Duke. But still, I need the furnace to be coming on. I need the furnace on. I am cold. When I get cold, I get an attitude. I am motherfucking pissed. Shit. I just needed to rant. Because baby. Mally! Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I be feeling like people be watching me everywhere I go anyway. Like it be cameras and shit all around. Or listening devices. Come fix this furnace! Mally, it's not funny. Mally is imitating me and I am pissed. The big kids ain't here. Oh my God. Even though I don't want them here, but I will have them down there helping me trying to figure out how to fix this motherfucking furnace if they was here. The kids is not here. Shut up. You keep on asking me when they come here tomorrow. It's 4 o'clock. Boy, I'm cold. Listen. I am irritated. Do DTE come out here and light the furnace? Because I will call DTE. Who does this? Denzel, hurry up. Oh my God, I gotta wait on Denzel. Denzel be busy. I know Denzel gets tired of me. I am probably the most irritating sister, but so motherfucking what? I'm his only sister. Shit. Or from his only mama. Come fix my furnace before I call mommy and grandma and have them come and knock at your door. The ancestors. Bring your ass over here. Right now.